The spread view that we're currently using magnifies 2 pages in our book. We can magnify each individual page by highlighting the page you'd like to expand and clicking this button here, which is single page view. We'll be working with both of these types of views later on, but for now, go back to multi-page view, which is over here. The page panel also allows us to add custom formatted pages to our book. We can also change an existing page to a new style by using this options here. To change an existing page to a new style, first click on the page to select it. I'll go ahead and click on page 9. Now I'll expand that menu again. And now I'll need to decide how many photos I'd like on this page and click a corresponding option. So let me go ahead and click the 3 photo option. Now I need to select a style from the submenu below. So I'll go ahead and pick one. You'll notice that page number 9 now has a new style. But since this is a 3 photo layout, I'll need to add additional photos to the remaining placeholders on this page. When I hover my mouse over each item here, you'll see it's empty. So I'm going to drag a couple of images into these placeholders. With my images added, I wanted to point out another important thing. If you look at the thumbnail scroller, you'll see that each one of the thumbnails has a number at the top. The number represents how many times the photo was used in your photo book. Since these images here were used twice, we see the number 2. All other images were only used once, and so that's why we see the number 1. Now let's say we wanted to reposition one of the 3 photos inside the placeholder. Double-click the page to enter single page view. Now hold your left mouse button down on any image and drag it around to a new position. We can magnify the image inside the placeholder by clicking on it and adjusting the zoom slider. When the image does not occupy the full height of the placeholder, you also have the option of moving it up and down. Okay, now let's return to multi-page view.